October, then pauwi na kami. Hi, Day. Good morning. Maraming salamat sa pag-adapt sa amin for 5 days. 5 days ba?
5 nights?
Friday?
6 nights?
5 nights?
Thursday? Ay, Friday?
Friday.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, 5 nights, 6 days.
6 nights?
6 nights, 7 days. Galit na naman. Akala ko ako lagi yung galit magsalita. Ito pala, guys. Mas galit pala ito pag nagsasalita. Pero hindi naman. Normal niya pala yun.
Hindi soft-spoken.
Oo.
So, alis na kayo ngayon?
Ayun. Maya. Yes. Go. Bye-bye na to, Kuyas. Bye, Kuya. How about Tita Manay? Hi, Tita Manay. Bye. Thank you. Bye to Ate Holly. Ate Holly. Bye, Ate Holly. Thank you.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow.
How is it, Han?
Talon.
Okay. Where are we again, Zach?
Ireland.
Talon.
Talon.
Yeah, dito kami. Kuha kami ng lunch. Si Holly, ayan, meron na siya. What you got, Baba?
Chicken wedges.
Chicken nuggets.
Wedges.
Wedges? Tapos kami bacon and egg. 11:02 na, guys. So, lunchtime na namin. What you got, Kuya?
I ate one.
What did you have?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
With
Si
cheese
Sak?
and onion.
How about you?
Again, sushi.
Dun siya sa Keith. And what's that? Ginger? Is that ginger drink, Sak?
No, this is cream and soda. Yeah, I
Cream and
have it
soda.
too.
Ew. Cream and soda? I don't like cream and soda. Ayan na yung akin. So, nagpipili siya kung anong mas malaki. Ayan. Thank you, Han. They're the same, but
I think that one's bigger.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
yan yung akin. Diba, yung hair natin is gulo-gulo. But, okay lang yan. Pauwi naman tayo. Ito yung ating bacon. Egg and bacon toast. Ang sarap ng egg and bacon dito. Kaya ko naman itong gawin. Pero iba pa rin yung sa kanila. Ang ingat.
What one?
Sarap.
Shop, Daddy. What's that red stuff?
May sauce ba? Yes.
Powder. Powder.
Oh, kaba.
There's no more.
Diyan, kumakain sa harapan ko. Gumagano siya.
No, they're for the more.
Sarap na sarap siya.
There's two left in there.
Okay, kainin muna namin ito. Tapos na kami kumain ng lunch. Hindi na tayo dadaan ng Keith kasi other way yung kanyang nilalakbay. Is this kurong, Han?
Yep.
Kurong. And gustong gusto niya itong ating little snack. Ito yung kanya. Ito yung sa kids. Blueberries and M&M's.
Can I have some M&M's?
Yep. We're in Kingston. Is it Kingston, Han?
Yep.
Yep. Tingin si Sak kung meron siya dyan na sushi. Si Holly tulog. Is he asleep? Huh? Sige, Sak. Go. Why you guys, Saki boy?
Hi,
Gising na siya, ha?
Primost.
Wala. They don't have?
They had them before, but like there's like really nothing in there.
Today, nothing today. So it's just like cheese and what? Kebab? What's in there? Ham. Yan lang nakuha niya sa dito sa OTR. Okay, uwi na tayo guys. Tapos yung snacks dito and we're home guys. Ayan, yan yung mga nabili namin sa Costco.
Wait, I forgot. I have muscles.
Ayan yung mga snacks. Ang dami kong ipuput away. My God. Ang dami kong ipuput away. Oh, another. What's this? Sa, put this in the laundry, please. Wala, ang lalaki talaga ng ating mga boxes from Costco. Oh, meron pa ba?
There's still more.
That one stay, that one stay, that one. Alright. Oh, i-hold pa ba natin to? Kita nyo naman kung ano mga nabili namin guys sa Costco. So, eto yung Oreo. Ha?
Nothing.
So, Oreo guys. Yung kapit. Ay, nag-blurry tayo.
Look at the Oreo. It's so big. Yeah, I already mini packed them. I know.
Si Charlie, yung kapitbahay namin, yung anak ni Tommy. Sabi, John! Where have you been, John? Sabi niya.
I'm just gonna put global up.
Ha?
Global up.
Okay. The news and the... Okay.
What do you want in the laundry?
I have more.
What do you want
Huh?
in the laundry?
Hmm?
What do you want in the laundry?
This one's up. Put this in the laundry. This one. Meron kaming White King. How many pieces? How many pieces? Six na ganito na 700 ml na White King.
For 20
Para
bucks.
sa... No, it's not 20 bucks.
Yes, it was. How much?
What? I don't know, but it wasn't 20 bucks.
For what?
The toilet gel. So, eto yung Oreo. 80 mini bag. So, bombaw nila.
Ready, Mom?
Huh? Ready for what? What? Yung bago yung sapatos, di ba napakita na namin sa inyo yung bago yung shoes. So, 80. Saan ko ito ilalagay?
Hey guys!
And then, meron tayo. Di ba hindi ako bumibili nitong pambabaw nila? Pero kasi nga, nagra-ride sila ng bike. So, instead na bigyan namin silang $20 or $25 pag nagra-ride silang bike. Kasi binibili lang naman nila is juice or whatever drinks. Eto na lang. Si Jan. Pinasok na ni Jan yung car. So, meron tong, ito yung Golden Circle na Tropical Punch. Ayan. Fruit box. Oh, why that is, maybe that is, what? Are they all the same? Kuya? Same flavor?
No, I just
What?
golden.
This one is Golden Punch, and then the other one is Tropical Punch. Okay. So, ito naman yung Golden Punch. Oh, wow. Diba, kunin ko yung sa kanyang bagong golf shoes. So, ayan. Ilang piraso ba? 24. 24 siya, guys. So, meron tayong 48 kasi dalawang box yun. Tapos, ito yung yung
Drink
30 cans. My God. 30 cans. Na mayroon siyang, ito yung Kirk's na brand. How many flavors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flavors. So, mayroon siyang lemonade,
We have
cream soda.
cream soda.
Ba't ang daming lemonade?
This is
Lemon squash. And the other one, what's this?
lemon. Just
Oh, yeah. Passion. Ano yan? May
this
gin-
is cream soda,
I know, that's cream
and
soda.
this is
And meron tayong pasito, yung passion fruit.
and we got the ginger
Gingerbread.
beer.
Ginger beer. Eto, what's this one?
Yeah, I can open.
Kasi parang lemon din siya.
I think this is just lemonade.
Lemonade. So yung isa, lemon squash. Anong difference no? What's the difference?
This has like, it's like lemon.
Ang natikman ko yun. Oh, okay. So, eto. Saan na natin ito ilan? Ay! Where are we gonna put all this back? Kailangan ko mag-ano na. And I have 5 na ganito.
Ready, Dad?
2 liters. So, before, meron daw nitong 1 liter sa, sa Costco. Pero wala. Bottle naman yun. Ngayon, 2 liters na siya. Yeah, may mga bagong patingin. Ay, that's nice. Give me the box.
Yeah.
It's got
No, it's not. Give me the box, Kuya. So, meron si Kuya. What's this one? What brand is this? Ha? Tyler made.
Yeah.
Ayan. Wow, why? You got lots of different colors.
It's a multi.
Ang gaganda ng colors. So, meron siyang blue. Ayan.
This is my favorite color.
And meron siyang... This is nice, Kuya. What's this? Is this yours to, huh?
Orange and white. That look good.
Orange. So, why you buy this kind of balls?
Because
You line them up when you park.
Oh,
And you
ayan.
just...
Oh,
Orange.
So look at that. Who let that in?
I don't know.
Straight away, big fly.
That's
Green.
the original one.
This is the original. Did you have this before? Si Jan, mag-ano siya, diba? Magtitingin siya ng dagat. Namiss niya yung ayan, green.
How much was
How many pieces inside the box? 3? 3. And which one's your favorite? Blue.
Yeah, blue is my favorite. That is my favorite color. What's
And
your
at the
favorite
red.
color, Mom?
I'll go look so.
Alright, babe. Good luck. Ayan. Huwag siya hindi nag-fishing kasi hindi rin kasi maganda yung alon. Okay, so this is for Kuya. And
I'm gonna use this Sunday.
Sunday, this coming Sunday?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna play?
But I like with Kobe and these ones.
With Kobe na. Wow, si Kuya. Si Kobe na yung kanyang kasama. So, meron tayong 5 avocado oil. And your shirts. Yeah, I showed that before. But, give me. Ang gwapo nito ni
I'm gonna
Kuya.
wear the blue one.
Ang dami niya ng ganito, guys. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang dami niyang ganito. What you gonna do with the other? Where? Okay. So, yan. Foot joint, right? Ang ganda. Ang gwapo mo dito, Kuya.
Yeah, guapo. Yani, you're gonna look guapo.
Gwapo ni Kuya. Ayan. So gwapo.
Yeah, he is.
And, eto naman, nabili nila sa mix na to, guys. Where Zachary got this from, Kuya?
Under.
That's mine.
This is yours? Meron si Kuya ang rip curl na short. So, may
If you go in the water with them, you can see.
binili
They're
nila.
adult size as well.
Adult size. And si Jam bumili ng Nike.
Socks.
Is this yours or Daddy? Dad?
Kuya.
Zachary, kay Zachary. Meron siyang Nike na shoes.
They
Ito,
got.
Daddy? Under Armour or Under Armour? Who's this one? Nike. Zachary? How about you? Who's this, Daddy?
Dad.
Okay, dyan. So, yan. Dami naman na medyas na iwawala. Lagi, guys, nawawala yung mga pair. As in, ang dami, 2 bag na yata yung iniipon ko. Hindi ko pa rin mahanap yung mga kapares nila. Okay, 5 nito. And yung blueberries, ayan, ang crispy-crispy niya pa, ang tamis-tamis niya pa, ayan.
But we just ate some.
Yeah. Ayan, and eto yung mac and cheese.
Easy Mac.
Easy Mac pala. Meron siyang 24 pack. And si Kuya gustong-gusto to. Ito daw yung dinner nila.
Yes,
Is
that's
this-
what I did.
Yun sabi ni Kuya. Kaya kung lagyan ko yung hotdog. So ito magiging dinner nila. Which is okay lang kasi
Alam mo,
pagod
Toto.
tayo sa biyahe. Anong oras na ba? 2:20 na, guys. And bumili ako ng canola.
100.
Ay! Is it canola?
Rice.
Rice bran. Rice bran oil. Ito yung pang deep fry ko.
Yeah.
Dati canola pero nag-switch na ako dito. And what else?
We go.
Oh, dito. Ayan, guys. Tapos, walang original. So, ang nakuha ko is sour cream and onion.
Mom, remember when we were in the Philippines, the pack was...
Yeah, yung nagbagyo kami, di ba? Ayan, malaki pa sa katawan ko. So, meron tayo nito. Just, diet sira. And Skittles.
So it's a mix pack with sour, original, and a purple.
Yeah, variety na siya, guys. Ayan na yung news. Oh my God, look at that. Hurricane Milton, my God. This is Sapo.
Yeah,
How many
Sapo.
pieces? 30 pack.
Yeah, but
Kasi bumibili sila nito mga, ano?
yeah.
Ayan, oh.
So there's blueberry and strawberry flavor.
Yeah, different. And Coke, binawasan na to nung nandun kami kila Mers. Ayan, Coke na malalaki. 1.25 liter lang naman. So, 6 siya, 5 na lang natira. And, ito yung 30 packs din siya. Sour cream na Pringles. Si Holly nagpili niyan. Lunch box pack. So, ito yung shapes.
Yeah.
Bumibili ako nito before, pero hindi na ngayon kasi nga nagsawa sila. But ngayon, bumabalik sila kasi matagal ko to hindi binibili.
Mom, is it just like
Original, pizza, barbecue, and chicken.
That's
So,
my
yan yung
favorite chicken.
flavors niya. And LCM's variety, 42 bars.
Oh.
So, yan. Split naman siya, guys.
Oh.
So,
Wow.
pambaon nila. Hindi tayo mag-ano ng pambaon nila. Next week na yung back to school nila. Pero late yung ato mapapanood, guys. And bumili ako nitong fish skin.
Well,
Salted
I think
egg.
I tried that.
Yeah,
That's good.
snack
I
yard.
like
Ayan.
that.
Pag masarap to,
my favorite.
natikman ko nito yung isa, yung Singaporean, yung sikat na brand. So, ayan. Dalawa yung kinuha ko niyan. Baka kainin ko siya ngayon. And, eto, bumili tayo nito, Downy. Yung parang pampabango. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yung scent, ano ba yun? Inwas Scent Booster. Mabango siya. Mas gusto ni Jen yung pink, pero mas gusto ko to. Pinapili ko siya.
That
Gusto niya yung pink.
was
Tapos nung nakita niya to, so, ano daw yung use ng pagpapaamoy ko sa kanya kung hindi ko naman daw kukunin yung gusto niya. Pero mas mabango kasi to para sa akin. Smells good. Kahit si Oli, did you choose that one?
Yeah.
Si Kuya ang kumuha nitong Colgate.
Because it just smells like normal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Advanced Whiting, Colgate. And, ito guys, ang sarap. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ako kumuha nito? Kasi gusto kong gawin yung, hopefully, yung nagtitrending, matagal lang trending yun, yung chocolate ng Dubai. Kasi, pistachio yung nilagay nun. So, gusto kong gawin yun. We'll see if magagawa ko. But, yeah. Pero ang sarap. Natikman ko to sa Yochi kagabi. Kumain kami ng yogurt, diba? So, ito yung nilagay ko sa top. Ang sarap ng pistachio. And mura lang to sa Costco. Tumingin, buti hindi ako bumili online. Kasi nung nagtitrending yung Dubai chocolate, gustong-gusto ko nang bumili. Ang mahal, ang liit ng jar. Kung nakita nyo yung homemade ko na balsamic, yung nagluto ako ng Father's Day, ganun kalit, nasa 36 yata. Something, basta mahal. Ito, ang laki-laki, magkano lang to? Ayan. So, dalawa ang kinuha ko. So, pag pumunta ko ng Adelaide, kung sinong pupunta sa Costco, or kung sinong mga kaibigan natin na pupunta ng Costco, papakuha ko nito pag nagustuhan ko yung lasa niya. Kung same siya doon sa natikman ko sa Yochi. Kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. And, eto hindi to doon sa Costco. Yung Rexona, sa local, Coldly yata ito nabili ni Jan. So, bumili si Jan ng 4, yung kanyang Rexona Quantum, 48 hours. Si Sak may binili siya, yung, wala na dito, nasa bag niya na. So, yan yung sa Costco. Ano pa ba? Eto, si Sak kumuha ng Colgate toothbrush. Nagpalit na siya ng toothbrush niya. And, ito yung Kellogg's na maliit lang siya, guys. Meron dito ata sa, sa Coles. Yung berry and nut bar. Hindi to pwede sa mga kids na pambaon-baon. Pwede itong snack dito sa bar and sa akin. Pero sa baon, hindi pwede kasi bawal sa school yung nuts. So, yan yung mga nabili natin. And, yung nabili ko rin sa, nandun na guys sa bag. Yung nabili ko sa yung damit, mayroon ako nabiling damit. 3 ata yun. Nasot ko na yung white, yung black nung nag-opening sila Mers ng sombrero. Tapos, may isa pa yung brown. Tapos si Holly, nabilang ko rin siya ng 2 skirts. Nakita nyo na yun. And sapatos. So, yun na guys, yung ating vlog. So, mixed siguro to guys ng vlog kahapon. We'll see. Alright? And, eto pa pala. Eto, ilang pack ba to? Ang sarap nito, guys. Kaso, ang laki niya lang. Pero, magsasawa ka talaga. Hindi ko alam kung 12 pieces ata to. Walang nakalagay. Walang... Ilang pack ba to? 10 pack? Ayan na lang yung natira. 3 na lang yung natira, guys. Masarap siya. Tapos, organic na seaweed siya, oh. Roasted. Masarap siya. So, pag nagawi ulit tayo, kasi first time natin makapunta ng Costco dito sa Australia. Pag nagawi ulit ako doon, may bibili ulit ako dito kasi gustong-gusto to ng mga bata. And ako din. So, yeah, yun na yung ating, guys, vlog. And lilinis ako niyan kasi saan ko ilalagay yung mga snacks nila. Or ilagay ko na lang yung snack nila somewhere kasi naka-box naman. Hindi kasi kakasya to, so hindi ko na lang siguro tatanggalin sa box. So, ilagay ko na lang dito. So, dyan na lang, para pili-pili na lang sila ng snacks nila. So, thank you guys! So, yun nga, yung ating vlog ay mix ng iba-ibang dates. So, thank you! Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye, guys! Bye! Maglalaba ako. Ang dami kong labahan. Ang sarap nito. Tapos mag-edit tayo. O, ayan. Bye! Thank you! Cute.
Good stuff, Zach.
Pinapakita niya kay... Binigyan niya na ng Skittles. Di ba nag-buy na tayo? Skittles, saka... What's the other lollies that you give to him?
Is that for mosquitoes?
Okay. Tapos si Kuya, gagawa na rin siya ng mac and cheese. Pinapakita niya yung mga nabili namin sa Amazon. Sa Costco kasi lalaki, di ba? Oh, di ba? Yeah. Alright.
I just packaged it.
Doon ko muna nilagay kasi mag-aayos pa ako ng pantry. Alright. Ito na tang good night. Gusto mag-sleep over dito ni Taj.
Tell me who you see, 'cause